My friends, another day, another lawn assessment. Another person that tells me I'm watering the heck out of my lawn, your product's not working. What's going on? So that's what I'm here to do. So let's walk through this and let's see what's going on. Let's take a closer look. We get over it and there is, just like usual, dead grass everywhere. And ultimately, see if we can't get a good piece here. We've got that fungus of melting out and leaf spot. You see how it looks like a popsicle that's melting? That's our sign. So next, I do want to check the overall watering. I've done that to kind of speed this up for you so you can get a better look. Here, come over here. I've pulled my plug. Now check this out. Here is my plug. Plenty of water saturation. So I ran a dethatching rake in this section from right here to right here only. It's only about 2 square feet and I got this massive pile of crap. There is so much thatch in this lawn, it's ridiculous. Guys, I'm trying to get the best angle I possibly can, but we get underneath the grass blades here and you can visibly see the roots of the grass. This tells me that they're probably doing daily watering and they're doing way too much and it's been toppling all the way up to the surface. Now, the power rake did a fantastic job getting rid of this. I should say dethatching rake did a fantastic job getting rid of the thatch. We just move a little bit over and I could show you, it just pulls out like crazy. All right, guys, you gotta stop mulching on your lawn, especially if you can't mow when the lawn's 1/4 of an inch or less. This is dead grass. It's not mulch, it's not thatch, it's just dead grass. Well, the problem is you end up with fungus like rust, leaf spot melting out, and now we're gonna have to dehydrate this lawn. So our plan of action is a 1, 2, 3. Power rake cleanup, then hard rake. You gotta do the power rake cleanup twice, and then you need to rake it out with a regular rake. Now after that, you're gonna dehydrate the lawn for about 5 to 7 days to push this fungus out, because the fungus is driven by the lack of being able to transpire fast enough. There's no fungicide that's going to fix this. You have to fix your watering schedule. Then I'm gonna tell them to water once every, about 2 times a week, 3 times at the hottest. I'd rather not even do 3 times a week. And that's gonna set them up for the future. Other than that, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, please hit me up in the comments. I'd love to help you guys out. This is Pest and Lawn Ginja. This isn't mulch, it's dead grass. See you later, bye.